Have you ever wondered if your hormones might be unbalanced? If you've been struggling with fatigue, insomnia, weight gain, low libido, muscle loss, even brain fog, it might be time to check your hormones. The best time to establish a baseline for your hormone levels is when you feel your best, which is often in your mid-20s. But the truth is, there's no specific age to prioritize your health, and low levels are not often felt until middle age. At the R-Bar, we make hormone testing simple and convenient. Our team of registered nurses will take a quick blood draw. Then, you'll sit down with our expert, Dr. Annette Asper. She's a doctorate and nurse practitioner, and she's certified in bioidentical hormone replacement. During the detailed 1-hour appointment, Annette will review your health history, discuss your lab results, and design a completely customized treatment plan for you. Unlike other clinics, we don't rely on one-size-fits-all solutions. Your plan is made customized to your needs. Whether you want oral, creams, pellets, or troches, we've got you covered. Start your journey to balanced hormones and finally feel like yourself again. Call us today.